Properties of numbers, day 1. Students, these are the notes for September 5th, Friday. A term is a number, variable, or the product of a number and one or more variable. These are all examples of terms. 3x, 1x, -5, and 12 are all terms. A coefficient is the number being multiplied to a variable. In the example 3x, the 3 is the coefficient because we're multiplying 3 times x. In the second example here, just x by itself, it's implied that there is a 1 in front of it, so 1 is the coefficient. There's 1x, and we never write the 1, but it is always there. Like terms are in the table below. So 2 and 3 are like terms. 2x squared and 3x squared are like terms. 2a and 3a are like terms. 7y and 8y and y are like terms. Non-examples, 2x and 3x are not like terms. 4x and 4x squared are not like terms. 3a and 4b are not like terms. X and y are not like terms. To be like terms, they must have exactly the same variable with the same exponent. So these, not having a variable, is the same. Here they both have a's with an exponent of 1. Here they both have x's with an exponent of 2. Here they all have y's with an exponent of 1. Different letters, different exponents, different letters, different letters. So those are not like terms. Okay? If things are like terms, then we can add or subtract them. And so these are some examples of how we combine like terms. So combining like terms has to do with adding or subtracting. Step 1 says circle like terms using shapes or colors. Don't forget to include the operation symbol in front of them. Then we combine the coefficients and rewrite the expression with the correct operation. So in this first example here, we have a 5x and we have a plus 3x. So they both have the last name of x. 5 plus 3 is 8, so this is 8x. Okay. Right here we have 5m, -2m, and -3m are all like terms. So in my calculator I would do 5 minus 2 minus 3, and I would get 0 or 0m, so that doesn't exist. Because that would have been 0m, and we wouldn't write it. Then I'm going to do a rectangle around these. Positive 8 and 6 is positive 14, and that's my answer. Six a and 8a are like terms, so 6 plus 8 is 14a. The b's, that's the only b, so it's plus 4b. And I'll underline the last set, plus 7. Once you get to all unlike terms, then you're done. This is simplified. 14a plus 4b plus 7. Number 4, 2x and 3x are like terms, so 2 plus 3 is 5x. -3x squared is the only x squared family, and so that is your answer. 2x, no other x's, so we bring that down. -3xy and 4xy, so -3 plus 4 is 1xy, and then -5y doesn't have anybody. So then we rewrite it as 2x plus, we drop the 1, and that is the answer for that one. Number 6 here is an application problem of what we were just learning. Perimeter means add up all the sides. So the perimeter would equal 3x, which is this side, plus 7x minus 4, which is that side, plus 4x plus 12. Then we're going to combine like terms. 3x plus 7 more x's plus 4x. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 4 more is 14x, -4 plus 12. Negative 4 plus 12 is positive 8. These are unlike terms, so we're done. 14x plus 8 is the perimeter. Number 7, write an equivalent expression for the following. So we're just going to simplify it. Equivalent means equal. Here's my a's, 4a and negative 8a. So 4 minus 8 is negative 4a. Then I'll go to my b's. Positive 4b, positive 2b is 6b, and then negative 3b squared is by itself. So just we're going to skip the next section and go all. Distributive property. When we heard the word distribute, that means to give out. So we're going to distribute what's outside of the parentheses to both things on the inside. So this 3 is going to go to that and to that. So that's 3 times x plus 3 times 2. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6. These are unlike terms, so I'm done. Here, 3 times 4 is 12m. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. Done. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10x. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Done. Negative 6 times y is negative 6y. Negative 6 times negative 5 is positive 30. Here, 15 is a little bit tricky. This has a 1 in front of it. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2x. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. And that's done. Alright, these last ones require you to distribute and combine like terms. So when we look at the problem number 16 here, the 3 is not up against the parentheses, so we don't distribute it. So just bring it down. Bring down the 3 plus, and we're going to distribute 2 times x is 2x. 3 times 5 is 15. 2x is by itself. 3 plus 15 is 18. So 2x plus 18. Number 17 is the same situation. You bring down the 5 plus, and you're going to distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 3x has nobody to combine with. 5 minus 12 is negative 7. Number 18, the negative 3 gets distributed there to make negative 6x. Negative 3 times that is positive 21. Then here we're distributing a negative 1. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 8 is positive 8. Negative 6x minus 2x is negative 8x. 21 plus 8 is 29. And that's it.